The latest batch of Chinese donated Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccines, totaling 800,000 doses, arrived in the Ethiopian capital Addis Ababa on last Sunday, giving a boost to the East African nation's vaccination efforts. China has so far donated more than 1.8 million COVID-19 vaccine doses to Ethiopia, which the Ethiopian government said has played an important role in combating the virus.
For us as a country, specific effectiveness data is still be done, but we are seeing that those people who are dying in health facilities are those who are not vaccinated. So this gives us enough evidence that we need to take the vaccines that have made available. So we would like to assure that these are vaccines that can prevent the disease, but also primarily prevent severe disease and death.
China will do its best to continue vaccine assistance to Ethiopia and promote bilateral exchanges and cooperation in public health sector.
Ethiopia's Ministry of Health says the country has administered more than 4.2 million doses of vaccines to over 3 million people.